What if I told you that one simple habit, something as easy and accessible as riding a bicycle, could quietly transform your body, protect your brain, strengthen your heart, and even slow down the aging process? And yet most people ignore it every single day. Doctors around the world are increasingly pointing to one powerful, low-impact activity that doesn't require expensive gym memberships, complicated routines, or extreme diets, and that activity is cycling. Now here's the bold promise. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why doctors recommend cycling daily, how it can dramatically improve your health at any age, and how you can start using it as a natural tool to feel stronger, sharper, and more energized, without overwhelming your body. The problem is, most people today are stuck in a cycle of inactivity. Long hours of sitting, whether at home or work, slowly weaken the muscles, reduce blood circulation, and increase the risk of serious health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. You might have felt it yourself. Your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, your energy drops faster during the day, your joints feel stiff when you wake up, and sometimes even simple movements feel like a burden. And the worst part is, this decline happens gradually, so slowly that many people accept it as a normal part of aging. But what if it's not? What if there was a simple, science-backed way to reverse much of this damage, to bring back mobility, strength, and vitality? Here's the question that most people don't ask. Why do doctors specifically recommend cycling over many other forms of exercise, especially for adults and older individuals? What is it about cycling that makes it so powerful, yet so gentle at the same time? We'll come back to that in just a moment. First, let's understand what's really happening inside the body when we stop moving. When your muscles are not used regularly, they begin to shrink, a process known as muscle loss. This affects your balance, your posture, and your ability to perform everyday tasks. At the same time, your blood flow becomes less efficient, meaning oxygen and nutrients don't reach your organs as effectively. Your heart has to work harder, your metabolism slows down, and fat begins to accumulate, especially around the abdomen. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, where your body struggles to manage blood sugar levels properly, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Now here's where cycling comes in as a powerful solution. Unlike high-impact exercises that can strain your joints, cycling is smooth, controlled, and low-impact, making it ideal for people of all fitness levels. When you cycle, your leg muscles are constantly engaged in a rhythmic motion, which helps rebuild strength and endurance without putting excessive pressure on your knees or hips. This is one of the key reasons doctors recommend it. It strengthens the body while protecting it at the same time. As you pedal, your heart rate increases in a steady, manageable way. This improves cardiovascular health, meaning your heart becomes stronger and more efficient at pumping blood. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery to your brain, which supports memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Studies have shown that regular cycling can even reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. But that's not all. Cycling also plays a major role in improving your metabolism. When you engage in consistent physical activity like cycling, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. This reduces the risk of developing diabetes and supports healthy weight management. And the best part? You don't need to cycle for hours to see results. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference over time. Now let's talk about something many people struggle with but rarely discuss openly: joint pain. As we age, the cartilage in our joints can wear down, leading to stiffness and discomfort. Many people avoid exercise because they fear it will make the pain worse. But cycling does the opposite. Because it is low impact, it allows the joints to move smoothly without the harsh impact of activities like running. This gentle movement actually helps lubricate the joints, reducing stiffness and improving flexibility. That's why many physiotherapists and orthopedic doctors recommend cycling as part of rehabilitation programs. Around this point, it's worth pausing for a moment and reflecting on something deeper. Health is not just about living longer, it's about living better. It's about being able to walk without pain, to play with your grandchildren, to wake up in the morning feeling energized instead of exhausted. It's about maintaining your independence and enjoying life fully, without being limited by your body. And sometimes, the smallest habits create the biggest changes. Now, remember the question we asked earlier: why do doctors specifically recommend cycling? The answer lies in its unique combination of benefits. It strengthens muscles, improves heart health, enhances blood circulation, supports brain function, boosts metabolism, and protects the joints, all at the same time. Very few activities offer such a complete package with such minimal risk. That's why cycling is often called one of the most efficient exercises for overall health. But knowing this is not enough, you need to take action. Start simple. If you haven't been active for a while, begin with just 10 minutes a day at a comfortable pace. Focus on consistency rather than intensity. Gradually increase your time as your body adapts. Make it part of your daily routine, like a morning habit or an evening ritual. You can cycle outdoors for fresh air and sunlight, or use a stationary bike at home if that's more convenient. The key is to make it enjoyable so that it becomes something you look forward to, not something you feel forced to do. Also, pay attention to your posture while cycling. Keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your movements smooth. Stay hydrated, and listen to your body. If you feel discomfort, adjust your pace or take a break. Over time, you'll notice improvements not just in your physical health, but also in your mood and mental well-being. Cycling releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals in the brain that promote feelings of happiness and reduce stress. This means you're not just improving your body, you're also taking care of your mind. And in today's fast-paced, stressful world, that is more important than ever. As we come to the end of this discussion, remember this: your health is shaped by the choices you make every day. You don't need extreme measures or complicated routines to make a difference. Sometimes, all it takes is one simple habit, done consistently. Cycling is not just an exercise, it's a powerful tool that can help you regain control of your health, improve your quality of life, and stay active and independent for years to come. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. Start today, even if it's just for a few minutes. Your future self will thank you for it. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, science-backed health tips that can truly change your life.